I grew up in Belle River, attended Belle River Public School and Belle River High School. We come from a family of 5. My father, Harry Dingman, and my mom, Frances. I have an older brother, Lawrence, and an older sister, Debbie. And I'm the baby, but I'm the bossy one. My dad worked at Chrysler, and my mom was a healthcare aide. She worked at Country Village Nursing Home. So I had heard from many different friends and family members that St. Clair College offered a very strong nursing program, and it really prepared you for the real world and to be able to take care of patients, and gave you a really strong educational background. So really, St. Clair was my first choice. I actually found the nursing program very, very difficult. It was a very hard program. The 3 nursing instructors that I remember the most was Ann Compo, Irma Watson, and Jackie Toffelmeyer. They were extremely hard on me, but in the end, I really believe that they made me a better nurse because they were hard on me, and they wanted to make sure that I had a very good foundation to continue to learn for the rest of my career. So once I graduated, I came over to the United States to work. I started working at Hutzel Hospital on the orthopedic floor. It was a new floor, and I quickly became the preceptor on the floor, so I was responsible for educating all the new orientees. And when I left Hutzel, I actually transitioned over to the Barbara Ann Karmanos Cancer Center, and I've been in the radiation department for 21 years now. I was a staff nurse. I'm now the clinical leader of the department, and I'm responsible for the day-to-day activities in the clinic. Karmanos is a wonderful institution to work for. I enjoy everything about it, from all the different departments that we have. Everybody is willing to go above and beyond to treat patients. We are a comprehensive cancer center, so we do have access to clinical trials that other hospitals don't. And sometimes things can be very challenging for our patients, but the group of people that work here are just phenomenal in the way they care for the patients. Everybody wants to achieve the best outcomes for the patients, and we're really willing to go that extra mile for everyone. There's a lot of St. Clair College nurses that are throughout Karmanos and the Detroit Medical Center, really throughout Detroit. We have a very strong presence here in the Detroit area. The award that I won last year was the Excellence in Radiation for 2017, and I was nominated by one of my colleagues, Clara Beaver. So we're a member of the Oncology Nursing Society, and we also have a local chapter here. It's called the Metro Detroit Oncology Nursing Society, and I am currently past president-elect, and our local chapter is really a great support for nurses in oncology, whether it be radiation, medical, surgical. We really reach out to all of our colleagues, and we provide lots of opportunity for educational opportunities for our members. So the physicians here in this department are also wonderful to work with. They provide the nurses a lot of autonomy here, but they're just fantastic to work with. They really support us. They supported us through all of our research and allowing us to use their patients for that research. Dr. Kim is the physician that I directly work with, and I can tell you that he is phenomenal to work with, and he has supported me through all of my endeavors and my projects, and he really allows me a lot of autonomy to take care of our patients. I think St. Clair offers a great educational opportunity. I do think that the programs are difficult, but again, I really think that it prepares you for the real world, and it gives you that great foundation to continue to expand your education. And education never stops. You need to keep learning. Things are always changing, and you can't become stagnant. You got to keep changing with the times and all the new technology. My husband and I have been together since we were in elementary school, and this year we'll celebrate our 29th wedding anniversary, and he has just been a great supporter of mine, and he puts up with all my quirkiness and some of my strange ideas, and he's just a good supporter of mine, and I'm able to go home and talk about my day with him, and he supports me through that. He helps with the kids, and he's a very hard worker himself, so just a very good family. Well, I have 2 children, Taylor, and he is 24, and then I have Max, and Max is 20, and I just can't wait to see what lies ahead for my kids. I just love taking care of people and helping them in any way I can, whether it be a medical issue or whether it be a ear for me to listen to and provide them with support. I just love helping people.